My name's Tommy Pennington, and I'm the CIO, CTO for MDR Construction, Inc. We are a Powerline contractor. In total, our mobile assets are around 1,200. Almost 700 of those assets are actual vehicles, medium-duty trucks, crew trucks. We have roughly 100 assets that are off-road equipment. And as our company grew exponentially, we were not able to keep track of that information. So we needed some type of solution that would manage and actually document and allow other people to take part in that management process. Prior to my relationship with MDR Construction, the fleet units particularly were not GPS located. Driver assignments, they were tracking service records, repair records, regulatory information associated with those units, such as tags, insurance. All of that was being tracked on a spreadsheet by the fleet manager, having his personnel involved in updating that spreadsheet. The largest struggle was communicating that information to the driver of the vehicle, the crew foreman responsible for the vehicle, and then also the field mechanics that were sent to repair and service that vehicle. Those three groups of people had no access without a phone call to that data, which led us to explore Azuga for tracking, GPS tracking, and then AUTOsist to integrate that mileage and GPS tracking information into a platform that would allow us to manage service records easily, to distribute insurance cards, to distribute any type of information that was specific to that unit without emailing, without file sharing, without that type of setup. It's easily accessible on a cloud app that the mechanics and the drivers and crew foremen can easily pull up at will or at need. Azuga was attractive based off of its footprint and coverage area with the telematics platform, but also we brought on board an assistant fleet manager who had experience with Azuga from his previous employer. That was a plus. It was just a great platform. So us knowing where our equipment is, also tying into that, our equipment's expensive. You're talking medium duty trucks, track machines, even some off-road equipment that is dropped on a job site, and the crew may forget where it's at. We've had cases where equipment has been left at an electric cooperative service area for over 12 months. We do track the odometer reading on all of our on-road vehicles. We track hours and subsets of equipment. That allows us to set up our maintenance reminders, our schedule reminders. Takes the distribution and workload assignment away from the fleet manager and puts it in the hands of the mechanic. When a mechanic approaches a work site or work area, he can easily pull up the reminder to a scheduled maintenance item. He can take care of that while he's there. With the scarcity of equipment and the productive nature of our business, longevity of equipment is very important to us. We must maintain that equipment. We must have the insight and the knowledge into regular scheduled maintenance that allows us to keep that equipment productive, prevents repairs, that will allow us to do those type of things. And AUTOsist is exactly what we needed. The interface was simple to understand, it was easy to navigate, was streamlined, efficient, and could handle their interaction in a productive manner. We are already seeing the value of the investment and the return on investment there. It's a very valuable tool for us to have. The insight that it provides is invaluable to our mechanics. The ability to have records without maintaining paper files for DOT compliance and federal motor carrier compliance, those type of features and abilities that AUTOsist has are very valuable to us, and they do provide a great return on investment.